Looking for a diet that is high on octane? Then you will happy to know that fiber is exactly the thing you need. People do not take this nutrient seriously even though research shows that it is powerful. Here are 9 important facts about fiber that will help you to fuel your health. 1. Fiber is a natural fighter of diseases. Diet that is rich in fiber helps in the prevention of colon cancer and diseases of the heart. Fiber also helps in the elimination of cholesterol by the action of binding it to the digestive tract. Fiber also helps in stopping constipation. 2. Fiber also helps in cooling of the body when it is overheated. High-fiber foods usually take longer to chew, thereby longer to digest and hence make you feel satisfied for a longer period of time. 3. The content of fiber in popular foods is very less. If you are used to depending on popular food, then it is time to start increasing your fiber content. 4. Grains have the most content of fiber. The best sources of fiber are concentrated grain products and whole grains. 5. It is essential for kids to have fiber. Children older than 2 years should necessarily include fiber in their diet as they are the most receptive towards fiber in fruits, fortified breakfast cereals and vegetables. 6. More the intake of fiber more is the intake of water. For fiber to move through the digestive tracts a lot of water is needed. When a diet rich in fiber is consumed, a minimum of 8 glasses per day are required per day. 7. The health benefits of fiber are not lost during cooking. While cooking fruits and vegetables, there is no need to worry about losing the fiber content. The fiber found in these fruits and vegetables aren't only in the skin. How to lose weight with the right food. 8. Fiber must not be taken beyond a certain limit. A person must take more than 50 grams per day as this may lead to diarrhea and bloating and also interferes with the absorption of other minerals. 9. It is not hard to get the required amount of fiber content in your diet, even though the misconception is that it is hard to get enough fiber into the diet. To get the right amount, all you need to do is to eat the right kind of foods. When you are determined to achieve a healthy lifestyle, eating fiber is something you do not want to miss as it serves more than one different purposes, most of which have been covered above.